All right, we just started off with our chestnut butter cookies. Now I'm gonna grab my mini Nilla wafers and we're gonna sprinkle some of these right on top. Perfect, just a nice little layer of those. Now I'm coming in with my chopped up strawberries and we're gonna put that right in there. Beautiful. Make sure to spread this out in our 13 by 9 pan. Oh my goodness, those cookies smell so delicious. Now we need to grab Nilla Wafer's best friend, bananas, and we're gonna put those right in there. That was just 2 whole bananas that I cut up into little coins, and we are going to spread them out a little bit more evenly so that each bite gets a banana. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so yummy?
Ooh, all these flavors combining, like what are you making?
I'm making something so good. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. I have here my banana cream instant pudding. This is the 3.4 ounce package. Grab our 2-cup measuring cup and our Nesquik strawberry milk. This is a little under 2 cups and we need a full 2 cups. So I'm gonna grab one more bottle and just fill it up to that 2-cup mark.
Right there.
All right, and that's gonna go directly into our pudding mix. Oh my goodness, banana strawberry pudding. We're gonna go ahead and give that a nice whisk until that pudding has completely disintegrated into our milk. This is gonna be so good. Ooh, it smells amazing already. And this is gonna go so well with our little chestnut and Nilla wafer cookie combo that we have. Okay, once it feels like that pudding has disintegrated, it is time for our next step. I have here my Cool Whip. I'm using the 0 sugar, but you guys can use whatever Cool Whip you prefer. And we're putting this whole container right into our pudding mixture. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Okay, I think we need a spatula to get it all out because we need this whole entire container. It's gonna be creamy, it's gonna be strawberry, it's gonna be banana-y, if that's even a word. It's gonna be delicious, you guys. Okay.
The aroma is outrageous.
Yeah, you know it.
Wow.
Okay, this dessert is gonna be so great for Valentine or for, spring. It's gonna be delicious for Easter, whatever you want to make it for. People will fall in love with it and ask you to make it for every event, every holiday, because it is that good. Okay, the next thing we're gonna add to this mixture is some softened strawberry cream cheese. And we are using this big 15-ounce container. Go ahead and grab our spatula, and that's going in.
The whole entire thing?
Yep, the whole entire thing. You have to let it soften or else it will not mix well with our other ingredients. Oh my, now if we thought that cheesecake smelled good, or if we thought that pudding smelled good, this cream cheese smells even better.
It's so potent.
Yep, we love the flavors. Okay, beautiful. All right, now it is time to blend this. All right, I have my hand mixer and let's start slow and just get that nice and mixed in. We do not want big chunks of cream cheese. We want it to be nice and smooth. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. I think we can turn it up just a little bit. This is why it's so important to let your cream cheese soften. Otherwise, it would not mix well with our other ingredients. All right, you guys, that is perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our strawberry banana combo right here, and we are gonna pour all of this mixture right on top. I have a spatula to make sure we get it nice and even. This is gonna be a full pan. Oh yes, all of those scents are making me happy. Okay, let's make sure we get all of this out. I have this cute little heart spatula that just does the best job at this. Now we want to spread that from edge to edge, just like so, covering up all of those strawberries and bananas. This is just gonna seep through all those layers and make everything so yummy. Fully covered. Now, this is one of those to-go aluminum pans, so we're gonna put our lid right on here, and we are gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, you guys, it's been 1 hour in the fridge. Just go ahead and pop this off. I have one more thing I wanna just add right on top, and that is my strawberry cream wafer cookies, and we're gonna go ahead and just crush these right on top. It's gonna add a nice, beautiful color, make it festive, and it's gonna add a great crunch to our entire dish. I don't know about you guys, but I love these cookies. I just think they're so yummy. Okay, it is time to try a piece. I have my festive strawberry plate. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, you guys might need to use a spoon for this one.
You got
Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look so good? Look at all those layers in there too.
it. So cool. Oh, you did good.
Fresh fruit, the chestnut cookies, the vanilla wafers, and then that creamy mixture we made. It's time to give it a try. Oh, I want a banana too. Strawberry, banana, dream, dessert.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh. That is so good. You guys gotta try it, like right now. Don't wait. Go to the store.